light up paper flowers. The first thing we need to do is strip the wires. We're using a long-tail LED, which is great because it has a built-in resistor. Makes it great for crafting projects. Thread the long-tail wires through the bead. It gives us space where we can stick crafting materials on. The first layer of the flower that we're going to use is cellophane. Just going to stick it all down with some masking tape or wasabi tape. This is cute, it's got a little green pattern on it. We want to be able to see the LED once the flower's been created, so with each layer we just make sure that it's still clear. The second layer that we're using is tissue paper. So we're going from the most transparent to the least transparent. The third layer we're using for our flower is crepe paper. This layer we're cutting into petals and then we're going to stick it on. So we're just using the wasabi tape to stick it all together. And we're wrapping all the way down the stem. To light up the flower, we're going to attach a button cell battery. This is a CR2032 battery. Using conductive dots to stick the red side to the positive side of the battery and the black side to the negative side of the battery. There we have our light up flowers in a vase.